Question 6. The front elevation and plan of a solid are shown on the grid. On the grid, draw the side elevation from the direction of the arrow. Here's the arrow. Now, the front elevation is what I see of a solid if I am stood directly in front of it. So I am almost perpendicular to it. I see no depth, I can just see the shape in front of me. Whilst the plan is a bird's eye view, and that is what I can see if I am flying above it and I'm directly above the shape. So you could, in your mind, lift this plan up, attach it to the front elevation almost as a roof. So this plan is saying these 4 squares here are going to fit on here, and the front elevation goes 2 squares deep. And in fact they go 2 squares deep all the way through. Now, to draw a view from the side, if you are looking at this shape from the side, everything you see is 2 squares wide on the plan. So everything you draw here is 2 squares wide. Everything you draw here is 2 squares wide. When you're looking at the front elevation, you see 1 square's worth of height before you see a join to the next square. So we have 1 square's worth of height here, 2 squares wide because the plan shows me it's 2 wide. Then this 1 square of height here, 1 square of height here, and then the 2 squares of height at the end. Notice there's no recognition of the depth between these 2 squares and 1 square, because if you're stood at the side looking in, you can't see that depth. It just looks like they are right above each other. Quite a difficult question, but with practice you should be able to pick up some marks on it.